What if I told you that even after they left, even after they found someone new, your name never really left the room? Welcome back to TF. There's something many survivors need to hear today. The narcissist may act like they've moved on. Social media may paint a picture of happiness. The new relationship may look perfect from the outside, but appearances can be incredibly misleading. The truth is, the new supply often hears about you far more than you realize. Long before the relationship ended, the narcissist was usually building a story. Not a truthful story, a useful one. A story designed to make them look misunderstood, wounded, and deserving of sympathy. And in that story, someone has to play the villain. Most of the time, that role is assigned to you. They tell the new person about the difficult ex, the unreasonable partner, or the person who supposedly caused all their pain. It isn't simply sharing the past. It's a way to gain sympathy and quietly shape the expectations of the new relationship. The new supply begins hearing warnings about behaviors they should avoid. They learn what not to say, what not to ask for, and what boundaries might upset the narcissist. Before they even realize it, they're adjusting themselves to fit the role that has been prepared for them. And while they may believe they're starting something completely new, they're actually stepping into a cycle that was already in motion. This is why your name keeps coming up. The narcissist often uses comparisons, stories, and selective memories to create emotional reactions. It creates an unhealthy sense of competition where none should exist. The new person starts wondering why an ex from the past still occupies so much space in the conversation. If someone is truly over a relationship, they don't need to keep revisiting it. Many survivors worry that the new supply is getting a better version of the person who hurt them. But in many cases, they're simply seeing a different stage of the same pattern. The mask may look polished. The promises may sound convincing. Yet the underlying dynamics rarely change unless genuine self-awareness and accountability exist. What's important for you to understand is this. Their constant focus on you says far more about them than it does about you. You cannot control the stories they tell. You cannot force others to see the truth before they're ready. And you do not need to defend yourself against every false narrative. Your healing is not found in correcting their version of events. It's found in building a life that no longer revolves around their opinions, their behavior, or their approval. While they're repeating old stories to new people, you have the opportunity to create an entirely new chapter. That's the difference. They're looking backward. You're moving forward. And that's why your growth becomes something they can talk about, criticize, compare, or obsess over, but never truly possess again. If this message spoke to you, let us know in the comments. Your story may help someone else feel less alone on their healing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching TF for more insights into recovery, personal growth, and emotional freedom. This content is intended for educational and self-reflection purposes only and is not a substitute for professional mental health advice. Always seek guidance from a qualified professional for your individual situation.